We'll now see the second method declared in WebDriver interface. The second method is close method. So what can we do with this close method? We will see now. So this method declared in WebDriver interface. Okay, so this method is implemented by remote WebDriver class. So it is implemented by remote WebDriver class. So it will remote WebDriver class provide bodies to the WebDriver interface. We all know that. Okay. Next, this method takes no argument. So this method don't take any argument. It returns void. So it does not return anything. Okay. So useful to close current browser window or tab. So it is useful. This close method is useful to close the current browser window or tab. Particularly, I am mentioning it that it will close the current browser window where you are active. That window or tab it will close. Okay. We'll now see the syntax of the close method. So driver dot. So I have already told you I am taking driver as object. I am creating the driver object for the remote WebDriver class so that we can use we can call the close method and use that method. Driver dot close is the syntax, and every statement in Java will end with semicolon. So this is the syntax for close method. We will now see the program. Already we have seen. Again I will show you. I have created the project. I have created the package in SRC Java. I am creating the class. So this is the close method. Okay. Every class name should start with the uppercase. I am taking main method. I am launching the Edge browser. So I'm using the WebDriver manager.edgedriver.setup. I am downloading the latest EdgeDriver software with the help of WebDriver manager, and I'm launching the Edge browser. Okay, and the URL of the site I'm using is google.co.in. So driver.get. So with the help of get method you can launch the website. How to close? So after launching the website, how to close the browser window or tab? So the code is driver.close. I am saving the program. I am executing it. Now my browser has opened. It is launching google.com site. Closed. I didn't do anything. I didn't close the browser manually. It has closed automatically. Again I am running. I will show again. Just I am not touching anything. Edge browser was open, google.co.in site launched, closed. Okay, like this you can launch the URL of the any site, and you can close the current browser window or tab with the help of driver.close method.